Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Hopefully you are in the good condition, yeah. Who is absent today? Okay, good. Now on. Okay, student, before our meeting begin, please reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Okay, students, today we will discuss about the narrative text, yeah. Last week we focused on the moral value, and today we focus on the character and the characterization of the narrative text. Before that, I will remind you about the definition of narrative text, and then social function of narrative text, and then elements of the narrative text, and then the theoretic structure of the narrative text. Okay, first about the definition of narrative text. Narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain the people or the reader. And the social function is to entertain the reader or the people. And next about the generic structure. There are four generic structure of the narrative text. First about the orientation, second complication, and the third resolution, and the last about the reorientation. Orientation, it is about the opening paragraph where the characters of the story are introduced, yeah. In the orientation, the writer introduced the who is the actor, and then where is the story happen, and when the story happen. And the next about the complication. Complication is where the problems in the story develop, yeah. And the next about the resolution, where the problem in the story is solved, yeah. In here the character or an actor get some problem solving, so the problem in the story is solved. And then the next the last about the reorientation. Reorientation in here lesson from the story. So from the reorientation you can learn about the moral value from the story. Understand? Any question? Okay, good. And next about the elements of narrative text, yeah. Elements of narrative text, there are six. First about the plot, second about the setting, and then character and the characterization. And the next element is conflict, and then theme, and the last about the moral value. First about the plot. Plot is thought of as the sequence of events in narrative text. The plot includes a background information, conflict, the climax of the story, and the conclusion. And next about the setting. Setting, these elements of narrative is incredible, important, yeah. Setting establishes the time, place, and environment in which the main characters or narrator operates, yeah. For example, setting of time, in the morning, in the night, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the Sunday, in the Monday, and etc. And example for setting of place, in the hospital, at home, in the drugstore, in the school, in the library, and etc. And the next about the characters and the characterization. Character is the people that are involved in the story, yeah. The peoples in here as an actor. And next about the characterization. Characterization is a description of the characters or an actor, yeah. And next about the conflict. Conflict is the problem or the challenge of the main character faced in the story. And next about the theme, yeah. Theme in here, the message of the story. And the last about the moral value. The message of the story can be learned for daily life. Okay, any questions so far? Are you understand? Yeah, okay, good. And today we'll discuss about the characters and the characterization elements of narrative text, yeah. characters, the people that involved in the story, yeah. The peoples in here as an actor, okay, understand? And next about the characterization. Characterization is a description of the character or an actor in the story. Yeah, there are two types of characterization. First, protagonist, and second about the antagonist. Protagonist is the leading character. This character often takes on the role of the good guy in the story. Yeah, the actor in the story always do good things, good activity, and good attitudes. Yeah, understand? Okay. And next about the antagonist. Antagonist in here is a person who actively opposite to the protagonist. Yeah, this character often takes on the role of the bad guy in the story. Yeah, the actor in the story is doing the bad attitudes, bad activity, and etc. Okay, understand? So the difference of the protagonist and antagonist is, if the protagonist character is a good guy and the antagonist is bad guy. Okay, yeah. Okay, and now please analyze, yeah, please analyze character and the characterization from the Pursuit Happiness movie. And then please type of your analyze, and then please send to my email. Okay, understand, for your assignment. Okay, good. I think this lesson today is enough. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, before finish our meeting, please reciting hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirobbil alamin. Okay guys, keep healthy and keep spirit. Sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.